Our story phonics, storybook plus workbooks. Sam and the Cat by E.J. Lewis, illustrated by Kate Downey. Sam and the Cat. Let's take a look at the inside. Sam and the Cat. Sam, palm, pad, seed. Characters. Sam and a mat. Palm and a hat. Tad and ham. Seed and jam. A van. The jam on the mat. The ham on the mat. Sam and a bat. A cat on the van. The cat is fat. The jam and ham on the mat. The jam and ham and the fat cat. Sam is mad. Palm is sad. Sam and a mat, palm and a hat, Tad and ham, seed and jam. The jam on the mat, the ham on the mat, a cat on the van, the cat is fat. Sam is mad, palm is sad, that's my jam. Mad, sad, ham, jammed, van, bat, cat, fat, hat, mad. Find a set of words, cat, hand, jammed, and mad. We're looking for all the items on the page. Have a good day. Bye. Sam and the Cat.